kinda adore you, but don't get too proud. You're like my favorite snack, I won't say it out loud. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not.
So today is the day that we get this car inspected. Yes, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. If you guys are now following back to us, this is the 335 that we posted out on our last video. And today we get it inspected to try to get it from a salvage title to a rebuilt title. So, see how well it works out. Now this bridge here that I'm getting ready to come up on, that bridge is tall. First time I went on it, I was on my bike, and that's a little scary because when you get to the very top and you get some good winds like it is today, it'll throw you around, and that's just a little freaky to me because I hate heights. I hate them with a passion.
I kinda adore you, but don't get too proud. You're like my favorite snack, I won't say it out loud. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not. But hey, you're the best kind of weird that I got. Your song's stuck in my head, it's on repeat. The awkward dance I do, but only on your street. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not. But hey, you're the best kind of weird that I got.
So just finished up. As you guys saw, we came here to this dealership that they do like rebuild titles. They sell cars too and some other stuff, but they salvage to rebuild title situation. And the inspector came, they checked out the car, and car passed, so we're good to go. We're gonna get this thing taken home. About a week or so is when they said the title and everything should come back, and I should be able to get it all registered and taken care of them. Go from there. So hopefully we can get this on the road in a few weeks and start enjoying it a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to take a look at that misfire still. I don't know, I'm not sure now. Not sure what's going on with that still, so I'm going to take a look at that a little bit, diagnose it a little bit, maybe even get another injector and get it swapped out, and maybe see if I had a faulty one that got put in. So yeah, super excited. So let's get back to the house and get this thing put away until title works gets taken care of. I will actually be heading out to do a West Coast tour for work. I call it the West Coast tour because we have 3 of our facilities out that way. So we'll be heading up to San Antonio, Salt Lake City, and Las Vegas. 3 major areas that we're going to be hitting up. And then following that, my wife's going to be flying out to LAX, and we're going to be finally doing our anniversary trip. And this is the trip that we're taking the van on. So during the trip for work, I decided to take the van, and I'm going to take it out to San Antonio first. Then we're going to drive and work our way up to Salt Lake City, and then we're going to go from Salt Lake City down to Las Vegas, and we're going to be working out of our 3 facilities there. I got some IT work I got to work on, and then after that we're going to head over to California and pick my wife up from LAX, and we're going to enjoy some time off and go sightsee. And she wants to see the Hollywood sign and some other stuff, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I think it's going to be super cool. And then we're going to have this bad boy here out on the street here soon. This little exotic Camaro SS little eater here. So this thing's a definitely a quick little car, even with the little misfire going on. So we'll be getting some more work. And the nice thing about this is I learned a lot about this car. It has forged internals. I did not know that when I first looked into this car. Doing some looking into it, BMW built this with a forged crank and forged rods, and they built it right to be able to handle the boost. So you can pretty much throw a whole bunch of power at this thing and not have to worry about any issues. So yeah, let's get back and we'll see you guys back at the house.